Understanding Being Intolerant, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, being intolerant. This is a common expression in English, but it can be a bit tricky to understand, especially for non-native speakers. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The word, intolerant, is an adjective, which describes a person who is not willing to accept ideas, beliefs, or behaviors that are different from their own. When someone is intolerant, they often show a lack of respect for other people's opinions, lifestyles, or identities. It's important to note that intolerance can manifest in various forms like prejudice, discrimination, or bigotry. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. 1. Cultural intolerance. Refusing to acknowledge or respect cultural differences, like food preferences or traditional practices. 2. Religious intolerance. Being disrespectful or hostile towards people of different religions. 3. Racial intolerance. Discriminating against people based on their race or ethnicity. These examples show how intolerance can affect various aspects of life and relationships. Being intolerant can have significant negative impacts. It can lead to social division, creating a divide in society, making it hard for people to coexist peacefully. Personal consequences, limiting one's ability to learn from others, grow personally, and maintain healthy relationships. Wider societal issues, contributing to broader problems like social injustice and inequality. Understanding these impacts helps us realize why it's important to strive for tolerance. Overcoming intolerance involves 1. Education and awareness. Learning about different cultures, beliefs, and perspectives. 2. Empathy. Trying to understand and share the feelings of others. 3. Open-mindedness. Being willing to consider or accept different ideas and opinions. These steps are key to becoming more tolerant and respectful. I hope this video has helped you understand what being intolerant means and why it's important to be aware of it. Remember, embracing diversity and being open to different viewpoints makes for a richer, more harmonious life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.